Learning takes many paths, but understanding words helps every path feel clearer and more connected. Some learners are just beginning, discovering new words through stories, pictures, and playful ideas. For young learners, words slowly turn from confusing sounds into meaningful ideas that make sense. Some learners offer support, helping words feel clear, calm, and welcoming. Parents play a quiet but important role, creating space where learning feels safe and supported. Some learners guide understanding, using words to explain ideas and help knowledge grow stronger. Teachers help turn words into tools that connect lessons, thoughts, and understanding. Some learners continue learning across many stages, finding joy in discovering new words over time. Lifelong learners show that curiosity does not fade and that learning can grow at any age. Through stories, practice, and understanding, words become clearer and confidence begins to grow. This shared journey of learning is what Vocab Cartoons was built for, guided by Timo the Word Scout.
Thank you for watching Vocab Cartoons.